Interpret on-chain data in 1 minute, keeping you updated on global crypto dynamics in 24 hours. Grayscale GBTC continues to sell. Can Bitcoin withstand the pressure this time? Market turnover rate drops significantly. Short-term profits consumed. Who got caught? The US presidential election has been ruined by the crypto circle. Do Biden and Trump-related meme coins have potential? Taiwan revises anti-money laundering law. Crypto exchanges become key targets. Musk's XAI surges. Grok 2 targets ChatGPT. Musk's actions speak louder than words. XAI stages a comeback against ChatGPT as the new favorite. Seize the wealth wave after Bitcoin halving. BWin 9th round launches. The stable yield project BWin 9th round has kicked off. 500,000 USDT awaits you. Measure the world with cryptocurrencies, master the 24-hour wealth code, and let's get rich slowly.
May 10th, Friday, here at Bitcoin TV. How's the crypto industry? I'm Michael. Let's first take a look at the 24-hour crypto headlines sponsored by Deepcoin. Recently affected by news, Bitcoin has fluctuated 1 to 2 times within a day. The market is quite unstable. In terms of Bitcoin spot ETFs, the Hong Kong version of Bitcoin spot ETF had a net redemption of 90.16 Bitcoins yesterday, with a total holding of 4,260 Bitcoins, a single-day trading volume of $2.06 million, and a total net asset value of $261 million. In addition, the trading volume of the US version of Bitcoin spot ETF continues to decline, with a trading volume of only $983 million on May 8th. Yesterday, the major pressure creator Grayscale GBTC had a net outflow of $43 million, while the pressure bearer BlackRock IBIT only withstood 1/3 of the pressure, with a net inflow of $14 million. Ultimately, the US ETFs closed with a net outflow of $11.3 million yesterday. Currently, spot ETFs have lost their dominant position, and the market is more likely to follow the macro markets of US stocks and news. In this situation of increased uncertainty, it is recommended to adopt a conservative investment strategy. The market's significant fluctuations have washed away a lot of chips, and short-term investors' profits have been given back, with some even incurring losses. Before Bitcoin rose to $66,000, the profit-loss ratio of short-term investors holding for less than 155 days was above 15, a high level. However, as Bitcoin fluctuated and fell, the profit-loss ratio has started to balance out, and the number of loss-making users has increased. Calculated at a Bitcoin price of $63,000, investors who bought before March are in profit, while those who bought after March are basically stuck with small losses. Currently, the sentiment of short-term investors is becoming more rational and risk-averse. Last week, the daily trading volume of perpetual contracts was generally around $50 billion, while this week the daily trading volume has fallen to around $39 billion, a decrease of nearly 20%. In addition, starting this week, spot trading volume has fallen from $8 billion to around $5 billion, a decrease of about 37.5%. The market turnover rate has significantly decreased, with perpetual futures trading volume being 7.8 times that of spot trading volume. This also shows that the market's game is mainly dominated by sentiment trading, which is being amplified, while spot turnover is decreasing. If there is no significant news support in the short term, the market will undergo a period of wide fluctuations. On November 5, 2024, the United States will witness a crypto version of the presidential battle. Imagine this. The two heavyweight candidates, Donald Trump and Joe Biden, have embarked on a crypto offensive in order to win the hearts of crypto voters. In this crypto version of the presidential election, the stance on cryptocurrencies has become more important than ever before. Under Biden's rule, the US SEC has treated the crypto industry like a hungry lion eyeing its prey, with regulations so strict that the crypto community has been terrified. But Trump's appearance is like a breath of fresh air, waving the flag of stopping hostility towards cryptocurrencies and openly courting votes from the crypto circle.
If you're in favor of crypto, you better vote for Trump. If you're in favor of crypto, you better vote for. If you're in favor of crypto, you better vote for. If you're in favor of crypto, you better vote.
As Trump voiced his support for cryptocurrency on Wednesday, meme coins related to the U.S. presidential election surged in unison. Data shows that such meme coins almost dominate the current trend rankings, with Trump skyrocketing 109% in a single day, Mogul surging 604% in a single day, Giga rising 19.56% in a single day, and Bowden increasing by 5.78% in a single day, and Bowden increasing by 5.78% in a single day. Among all the meme coins related to the U.S. presidential election, the one named after Trump is the most eye-catching. The price of Trump surged 40% today, reaching $6.18 US, and even briefly spiked to $7.5 US. The current market value of Trump has reached $287 million US.
I think that we would lose our country. I think we'd lose our country, and then in doing that, we would lose our world.
As you can see, voters still hope that Trump can take office. At least there is still some freedom. According to on-chain analyst Inyang's monitoring, when Trump opened up crypto donations, a smart money address immediately spent 198,998 USDC to buy 39,679 Trump at an average price of $5 currently having an unrealized gain of $65,000, a 33% return. The US presidential election is expected to enter a heated phase in the coming months, and it can be expected that Trump and Biden will have more statements on the crypto issue, and US presidential election-related meme coins are likely to see more fluctuations and hype. However, who will have the last laugh in this crypto version of the presidential election is still unknown. The support rates of the two candidates are like a cat and mouse game, making it hard to tell. So, crypto buddies, it's time to show your stance. Will you follow Trump's crypto-friendly path or stick to Biden's strict regulation strategy? This election not only concerns the future of the United States, but also the future of cryptocurrencies. Last year, Taiwan's Executive Yuan revised laws such as the Criminal Code, Investment Consulting Act, and Human Trafficking Prevention Act to combat fraud, but there was no specific anti-fraud law. In order to further strengthen the crackdown on fraud and strictly regulate anti-money laundering measures, Taiwan recently passed a new regulation called the 4 New Anti-Fraud Laws, which includes the Fraud Crime Hazard Prevention Act, Money Laundering Control Act, Technology Investigation and Safeguard Act, and Communication Safeguard and Surveillance Act. Regarding fraud and money laundering involving virtual assets, strict provisions have also been made. Let's take a look.
Taiwan's recent amendment to the Anti-Money Laundering Act specifically targets virtual asset service providers, including 3 major amendment directions. Firstly, any virtual asset service provider who has not completed anti-money laundering registration may face a maximum sentence of 2 years. Secondly, the law introduces special money laundering offenses for the use of virtual asset accounts and third-party payment accounts as tools for money laundering, with sentences ranging from 6 months to 5 years, and fines of up to 50 million new Taiwan dollars, approximately 1.5 million US dollars.
在监管部分我们是这个虚拟资产的投资跟这个支付相关的这个主管机关，所以在这个部分呢，我们有设了这个10大的这个要点。这个要点呢，这个所有币商来跟我们申报的时候，我们都会审查他有没有依照这些要点来作为他这个事业上面的管控的机制。
According to statistics from the Financial Supervisory Commission, there are around 60 to 70 virtual currency exchanges in Taiwan, and currently 25 virtual currency exchanges have completed their anti-money laundering legal compliance statements. One highlight of this new legislation is the strict management of domestic and foreign crypto exchanges. According to the revised Money Laundering Control Act, not only do domestic crypto exchanges need to register for anti-money laundering, but foreign crypto exchanges that want to operate in Taiwan must also establish a branch or complete company registration in Taiwan. This shows that the Taiwan government's requirements for transparency and legality of virtual asset transactions are becoming increasingly strict. In the AI arena, an exciting and passionate competition for the future is unfolding. Elon Musk, the legendary figure in the tech world and CEO of Tesla, signed an open letter with more than 100 AI experts last year, calling for a pause in training more powerful AI systems. However, he is now pointing his XAI sword at ChatGPT's throne. A year ago, Musk and numerous experts co-signed an open letter warning of the risks posed by AI systems with human competitive intelligence. Musk has also been relentless in his criticism of OpenAI, accusing its relationship with Microsoft of compromising its original public open-source mission. However, his XAI company seems like a dark horse, speeding ahead on the AI racetrack.
According to Bloomberg, XAI is set to complete a new round of financing as early as this week, with a valuation of up to $18 billion and a financing amount of up to $6 billion US dollars. Investors include Sequoia Capital. XAI's Grok-1.5v multimodal model not only has powerful text processing capabilities, but can also process various visual information and even generate code from images and calculate calories. Musk revealed that training for Grok 2 is in its final stages and is expected to be completed in May.
Our AI Grok is modeled after The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which is one of my favorite books, it's a book on philosophy disguised as a book on humor. I would say that forms the basis of my philosophy, which is that we don't know the meaning of life, but the more we can expand the scope and scale of consciousness, digital and biological, the more we're able to understand what questions to ask about the answer that is the universe.
In this competition, Musk has displayed his actions speak louder than words quality. On one hand, he calls for a pause in training more powerful AI systems, while on the other, he is actively building his own AI empire. This contradictory approach may be what makes him unique as a tech leader. However, the outcome of this AI competition is still full of uncertainty. Whether Musk can defeat ChatGPT with XAI remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. This competition will bring us more surprises and insights, allowing us to better understand the potential and risks of AI. In the ever-changing crypto market, every pullback and fluctuation breeds new opportunities. Now, the market seems to have reached such a golden crossroads. The stabilization after a significant pullback and the Fed's dovish signals are resonating, and the historic moment of Bitcoin's halving has arrived. Bullish sentiment is like an untamed wild horse galloping endlessly. In this wave, we not only need to keep an eye on all directions but also hold the chips, ready to welcome the coming wealth feast. A recent great opportunity comes from our fixed-term arbitrage project, bwin. The so-called term arbitrage is to buy spot while hedging with contracts to offset the downside risk of the spot position and profit by collecting the funding rate, and this stable income accounts for the vast majority of the fund's allocation.
Against this backdrop, the highly anticipated ninth phase of Must Win kicked off with great enthusiasm on the evening of May 9th. The total financing amount for this phase is as high as 500,000 USDT, with a financing period of only 1 week, and the phase ends as soon as either the amount or the period requirement is met. In just 12 hours, nearly half of the amount has been raised for the ninth phase of Must Win, totaling a staggering 248,000 USDT. Additionally, the must-win phase lasts for 3 months, after which the principal and interest will automatically return to the wallet.
Such speed is truly impressive. This is not only a feast of funds, but also the best proof of the bwin model and the team's capability. So, how can you participate in this exciting investment feast? Don't worry, we've prepared a detailed bwin investment handbook for you. First, you need to have a wallet that supports the Binance Smart Chain, whether it's MetaMask or IM as long as you have more than 1,000 USDT and a small amount of BNB in your wallet, you can start your bwin journey. Next, open the official bwin website, bwin.ai, where you'll see a simple and clear investment interface. Click Buy Now, enter the amount you want to invest, then click Confirm and Deposit. Just like that, your funds will officially enter the bwin investment pool, and you'll start enjoying the high weekly returns. No complicated operations, no long waits, everything is so effortless and natural.
Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey suggests that by 2030, the price of Bitcoin could potentially reach at least $1 million US, adding that its value may further increase from that point onwards. Data reveals that yesterday, the on-chain DEX trading volume on Solana reached 1.314 billion US, surpassing Ethereum's on-chain DEX volume of 1.297 billion US. OpenAI plans to announce its AI search product next Monday, intensifying its competition with search giant Google. According to an anonymous source, the White House is planning to nominate Commodity Futures Trading Commission CFTC Commissioner Kristen Johnson for a position at the U.S. Treasury Department. The announcement of Johnson's nomination is expected to be made public soon. Bitcoin mining firm Marathon Digital Mara faced operational challenges in the first quarter, resulting in lower than expected revenue. The company mined only 2,811 bitcoins in the first quarter of this year, a 34% decrease compared to the previous quarter.
Alright, that's the main content of today's program. If you find our channel valuable, welcome to share, follow us. You can also become our member. Click the top right to see our membership benefits. Our channel focuses on valuable news from the crypto, blockchain, and mining circles. From Monday to Friday, it's news and information. Saturday and Sunday are in-depth special reports. You can get our wealth code from Monday to Friday, as well as industry articles from our special contributors. Let's get rich together slowly. See you tomorrow.